Hi, my name is Lax Sakalkale. I'm Senior Director of Product Management at CA Technologies. Today I'm going to talk about CA Nimsoft Monitor for Citrix CloudPlatform. Before we talk about solution, I want to tell you a little bit about the CA Technologies. CA Technologies is one of Forbes' world's most innovative player with $4.5 billion revenue. CA has 30 plus years of experience in managing heterogeneous IT infrastructure, and the customer satisfaction is all-time high. CA is market leader in infrastructure management and is targeting world's largest enterprises as well as managed service providers. CA acquired a company called Nimsoft back in 2010 for targeting the emerging enterprises and the mid-tier market and MSPs. Nimsoft is very popular among MSPs. Nimsoft is first to do a lot of things. Among that is first full-featured SaaS unified IT management as a service. Now let's talk about cloud computing. What's the industry today? As you know, it's very booming and very hot. Cloud services market is growing at 19.6%. The software as a service, everybody is embracing it. Salesforce.com is making billions. Infrastructure as a service market is going into mainstream. It's growing at 44%. The growth rate from cloud services, as Gartner says, is worldwide, and it's forecasted for 2012, and it's going up. Software as a service market is at $14.4 billion mark, and it's growing again. And infrastructure as a service market is a sweet spot, which is growing from $4.3 billion to $6.2 billion in 2012 alone. It's amazing opportunity. Well, what does this mean to you? Well, the infrastructure as a service is an approach for better IT. And this market is the high growth sector for a reason. The key here is taking advantage of this growth and understand the nuances around it, but take the advantage and opportunity at stake by prioritizing investment for this infrastructure as a service space. A lot of enterprises and managed service providers who are turned into hosting providers have taken that on. Last year, it's growing at amazing speed now. So what do companies need to really take this on? Those of you who are ready to take this on, well, you need a secure cloud orchestration platform that delivers the cloud system infrastructure faster at a lower cost, but it's highly scalable. That's what Citrix CloudPlatform is all about. And we're going to go over that a little bit later. So Citrix CloudPlatform is trying to meet these challenges of the infrastructure as a service solution. And these needs are real, and these needs are here now. And we heard from you. So this solution is for you to succeed in infrastructure as a service solution, either as an enterprise or a service provider. Citrix CloudPlatform is powered by Apache Cloud Stack project, which is a full project now. It's a turnkey platform for you to house infrastructure as a service cloud infrastructure, software, hardware, leveraging your investment and growing into this new space. So what are the business needs in this particular area? Well, will the monitoring that you have now and the performance tool that work for you today, are they sufficient? That's the first question you want to ask. How do I monitor Citrix CloudPlatform environment? How do I keep track of various monitoring parts that come with this particular solution? Zones, pods, cluster, hosted storage. It's a fantastic distributed solution that gives you high scalability. How do I get a grip of all the performance and availability of all the aspects here? How do I ensure my SLA? When a consumer is using cloud platform-based infrastructure as a service, they're looking at what's the SLA for me? Are you meeting my SLA? How do I discover and isolate the cause of performance and availability? Getting to the root cause is so critical when you have the 99.9% SLA and you have to meet that. You're talking minutes and seconds to get to the root cause. How do I manage specifically Citrix Cloud Platform? I talked about the various layers that bring that scalability to your infrastructure as a service solution. So let's take a look at how CA Nimsoft monitoring solution for Citrix Cloud Platform will help you to meet these needs. It provides monitoring capabilities to establish high-level SLAs. It tracks health and end-to-end performance of Citrix Cloud Platform, the zones, the pods, the VMs, network, storage. And it uses this integrated interface, a single pane of glass, you will, that supports the Citrix Cloud Platform and gives you that visibility that you need. CA Nimsoft Monitor for Citrix Cloud Platform, it provides that end-to-end coverage. It provides monitoring automation that administrators need to efficiently monitor various dynamic aspects of Citrix Cloud Platform. It's a changing world when it comes to infrastructure as a service and the services that go on top of it. So CA Nimsoft Monitor provides that monitoring capabilities to get that SLA optimal, to get the visibility from end to end and get to the root cause quite fast. It tracks that health and end-to-end performance, and it gives you that single pane of glass. It also has correlated monitoring. You got the compute resource coming in cloud platform. You got how that correlates to the virtualization aspect in behind. Very critical to have that correlation going. It tracks the resource usage by the organization, groups, zones, pods, clusters. It gives you that multi-tenancy that you need, which is inherent to Nimsoft. CA Nimsoft monitoring provides you a lot of benefits. It's efficient at administration, so easy to use, easy to deploy, easy to operate. Agent optional monitoring, very critical. People don't have luxury to put agents everywhere, and it's a very daunting task. And you need actionable insights. That's another benefit you get from Nimsoft. You get the route logs, you get the events routed from Cloud Platform, you get the whole unified portal views with dashboards and reports. You can customize them within seconds. It doesn't require a code change. If you don't like something and you want to refine it, you can refine right there in real time. How is this all possible? Well, behind every solution, there is an architecture that makes the solution thrive and grow and become scalable. If you look at this architecture here, there's architecture in Cloud Platform which is highly distributed, resilient, and scalable. You look at the clusters, the hosts, the primary storage, then you look at the pod that makes all that, and then there are multiple pods that get connected with a layer 3 switch, which then talks to the load balancer to balance the whole load. And this can have multiple locations, not just one. And I'm going to talk about an example how one of our customers is using that, and you can use it too. The Nimsoft architecture on the right side is based on message bus. It's also, again, a similar distributed technology that allows you agent optional monitoring for Citrix Cloud Platform. Not just the software, but also what's behind it, the whole FlexPod, the UCS, you name it, all the hardware aspects, all hypervisors. Get the monitoring not just from the top to bottom, but get the monitoring from bottom to up. Getting that multi-dimensional visibility with a multi-tenancy to give you the view of what you own or what you buy or what you rent, very critical. This is that architecture that allows you to do so. Here's an example of one of the successful customer of Citrix and CA Nimsoft. It's my favorite. They came from a networking world and they wanted to go after SMBs. They created various software as a service type of application as a service as solutions, and now they ventured into creating infrastructure as a service business. They got into certification of various Cisco, UCS, and also Citrix, and they obviously love Cloud Stack and Citrix CloudPlatform. They had the need to get that end-to-end visibility and monitoring Citrix CloudPlatform. They wanted to not only get the software view, but also get the hardware view, get the total view in one single pane of glass. That aggregated view is what the benefit they were looking for. CA Nimsoft Monitor solution gave them just that. So the result, they're managing today entire cloud infrastructure that's based on Citrix CloudPlatform with very strict SLAs based on SLOs to their customers who are renting these compute resource, network resource, storage resource for their business. And again, they're targeting SMBs. For those who are SMBs, fantastic solution out there for you. So how do you get started to create infrastructure as a service solution using Citrix CloudPlatform and CA Nimsoft Monitor solution? There's some information for you on these URLs. ca.com/Nimsoft. You should find a lot of web content, information about CA Nimsoft Monitor, and all other solutions that we have around Citrix. It's also there for free trial. Go to nimsoft.com/free-trial.html and get your trial. Request assistance if you want somebody to get you going quickly. CA and Citrix, they announced very close partnership together back in October 2012, and it's growing and becoming stronger and stronger for a reason. CA covers not only the high-end enterprises, big enterprises, Global 1000s, and MSPs, but also now with CA Nimsoft, they cover the emerging enterprises and the mid-tier MSPs, providing value for Citrix CloudPlatform with end-to-end coverage, insights that are deep, top to down, bottom up, monitoring automation to efficiently manage the cloud services based on Citrix CloudPlatform. I welcome you to try the solution. Thank you.